Hi, how are you? I just want to let you know that I am recording this call. I'm calling because I'm really concerned that New Haven Court is not following the laws, and I need to know why you guys are denying me my legal rights. Um, and so I'm really highly concerned about this. I filed.
Do you have a docket number, ma'am?
Yep, it's NNH FA195046828S.
Theodore versus Matthew.
Correct.
I'm speaking with.
Theodora.
How may I help you, ma'am?
Okay, so I'm calling because there's the form, the request for remote testimony, which is JDFM 295, and it says on the form, if a restraining order, protective order, or criminal protective order has been issued on your behalf or on behalf of your child, and you want to give testimony remotely in family court proceeding, fill out and file this form at least 2 days before your hearing. And it says to the clerk, upon receipt, arrange for testimony in accordance with this request. Inform the judicial authority that the party will be appearing remotely. I was told by the clerk's office that this is automatically needs to get granted by the clerk upon receipt pursuant to the law of 46B 15C and 2178 that is on the form. And I filed it 4 times. Okay. Okay.
help you?
Hi, may I ask who I'm speaking
Hello,
with?
can I help you?
Hi, yes. Can I ask who I'm speaking with, please?
My name is Nancy.
Nancy, and are you in the New
My
Haven?
name is Nancy.
Okay, are you from the New Haven clerk's office?
I can't hear you. You're breaking up.
Are
I'm sorry,
you
you're breaking up?
are you in the New Haven clerk's office?
Yes.
Okay. So I'm calling because I want to know why the New Haven court is not following the laws that are pursuant to Jennifer's Law, which went into effect in November of 2021. It says it right here on the form that the clerks need to comply with this. And 4 times in a row, the clerk has denied me my legal rights. So I want to know why you guys are not following the law. It says it right here on here. The statute is 46B-15C, Public Act 2178, Sections 2 and 6, 7, and the form is JDFM 295. It says right here, upon receipt, the clerk must arrange. Upon receipt, the clerk must arrange for testimony in accordance with the request. Why did mine get denied 4 times in a row, and why is my legal right being denied? And I just want to know, I want to let you know, I also want to let you know, Nancy, I'd like to let you know that this call is being recorded, by the way, Nancy, and it does not say to give it to the judge.
Okay.
It says upon receipt, the clerk, it says on it right here, instructions to clerk, upon receipt, arrange for testimony. Okay, why did the clerk
We're
not?
following the judge's instructions.
No. Okay, so the judge is the judge instructing you to break the law?
Ma'am, I'm not answering that question.
You're not answering that because you know that it's true, Nancy. Because I want to know why you guys are not following the law.
I'm not saying that either, ma'am.
I want to speak to a supervisor now.
Ma'am, we're following the judge's instructions.
I don't care. The judge doesn't make the law. I want to speak to a supervisor now.
Okay, hold on. This is Amina.
I'm sorry, who am I speaking with?
My name is Amina.
Okay, I just want to let you know this call is being recorded. There's a law in Connecticut. It says it right here on Form JDFM 295, Connecticut General Statute Section 46B-15C, and Public Act 2178, Sections 2, 6, and 7. It states on this form, JDFM 295, if a restraining order, protective order, or standing criminal order has been issued on your behalf and you want to give testimony remotely in a family court proceeding, you must fill out and file this form with the court at least 2 days before your hearing date. And it says instructions to clerk. Upon receipt, arrange for testimony in accordance with the request. Inform judicial authority who will be presiding over the court proceeding that party below will be appearing remotely. I called and I spoke to the New Haven clerk's office a week ago. they stated to me that this automatically, per the law, needs to be approved by the clerk automatically as long as you have a protective order protecting you, which I do. And I said, okay, if I've submitted that, they said they automatically have to grant it. The next day, I see that Judge Grossman denied it, which it's illegal for her to do that. I filed a case flow request. I put a copy of the law. I said she needs to follow this law. She denied the request to follow the law. I put it again, a request for remote testimony. She denied it again. She keeps writing in there, we're not going to do a remote hearing. And I never once asked for a remote hearing. I filled out and complied with this form that the victim advocate stated that it's my legal right to do so. And I just want to let you know, like I said, if you guys are going to refuse, the person, Nancy, who I just spoke to, said that Judge Grossman instructed her to break the law. She stated it was Judge Grossman's instructions to the clerk's office that none of them are allowed to grant this for me, and that is in direct violation of the law. So this is actually criminal activity. So if you're going to be also accomplice to this criminal activity, I'm going to need the spelling of your name because this is absolutely unacceptable. I need a link for my remote testimony now.
So, you have 2 files scheduled for today?
No, I don't. What 2 files are you talking about?
Okay, what's the docket number?
FA, there's only one file, FA 195046828S. And I'm tired of New Haven. New Haven's not even in my jurisdiction. New Haven's not even in my jurisdiction.
Thank you for holding. So I just double checked. Hello?
Yep, I'm sorry.
Were
Can you
able to hear me just now?
Yeah, I'm sorry. Can you please tell me who am I speaking to first? Because last time
Yep,
that
you're speaking to Amina.
How do you spell that?
Amina Connolly. So
I'm sorry. How do you spell that?
A-M-I.
A-M-I.
I'm spelling it for you.
Yep, A-M-I.
That's actually the spelling. It's A-M-I-N-A.
A-M-I-N-A, and you said Connolly?
Yes.
And you're the...
C-O-N-N-E-L-L-Y.
I'm sorry.
I'm
sorry, because last time I spoke to somebody, they said to me the person's name didn't exist. So before we continue, I just want to confirm. You said A-M-I-N-A. How do you spell your last name so I can confirm that you're actually a real person next time if I have to reference this conversation?
Absolutely. Well, first of all, I want to address that you said that you were recording the conversation, and I do not consent to that.
Okay, well, you're an accomplice to a crime because you guys, the state's attorney is going to be notified of this, and I'm going to be making a lot of complaints here, and I need your name because you're telling me that your Judge Grossman instructed you to violate the law, and you're complying with her instruction to violate the law.
I absolutely did not say anything like that.
Okay, so what's the spelling of your last name?
Right?
What's the spelling of your last name?
I'll give you the spelling.
Yep.
I'll give you the spelling.
Go ahead.
It's C-O-N.
I'm sorry. You're saying it so fast. You're saying it so fast I cannot hear you. Can you please say it slower?
C-O-N.
C as in cat. C-O-N-N.
I think you understand the spelling I just gave you.
I cannot hear you. I cannot hear you.
Okay, one more time, and that's it.
Uh-huh.
C-O-N-N-E-L-L-Y.
Okay, and you are the
Deputy Chief Clerk.
Deputy Chief Clerk for just family matters or for everything?
The clerk's office.
For the main clerk's office?
That's correct. So, addressing again the issue of you recording the call, I do not consent. So, you either have to tell me that you have stopped the recording or have to terminate the phone call.
Okay, but doesn't it say that you guys are recording the call?
No, it does not.
Okay, so that's fine. I'm not going to record as long as you're not going to record because when I called, it stated that I was being recorded.
I'm not recording your call.
Okay, so that's fine. So I'd like to know why did my request I have a legal protection under this law. And New Haven nobody in this courthouse is respecting this law, which was made from a woman who got killed by her psychotic husband. Okay? So none of you guys respect domestic violence. None of you guys respect Public Act 2178. And none of you guys are respecting the law. She has no right to instruct the clerk's office to deny me my legal rights.
Your request for remote testimony was denied by Judge Grossman. And if you want to address that with the court, you can do that at your hearing at 2 o'clock.
I'm sorry, but that's not. No. That's not. I want to know why this form, which is its instructions say the clerk must grant this, not the judge. So why is the clerk not doing their job?
The judge has made a decision on the issue, and you can address it with the judge.
So the judge has made a decision to break the law, and you're complying with that. Is that correct?
I will not let you put words.
Okay, I'm just going to let you know that I'm going to be if I have to be forced to come there, if you guys force me to come there, listen to me. If you force me to come there, you can guarantee you the news is going to be there, okay? So make sure you're ready cuz I'll make sure the news is there. Bye.